Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. Today we are covering regarding toolbars and also the file handling in MS Word. So dear students, basically in our previous version, we have the concept of toolbar. So basically the toolbar contain multiple tools that help us to achieve a specific task in MS Word. So dear students, basically in Word 2007, the menu bar and toolbar has been replaced by the tabbed ribbon system. So basically what is this tab ribbon system? In the case of ribbon, we have combination of menu bar and toolbars, which can help us to quickly find the command, and with the help of this command we can perform our task. How these ribbon look like, I can show you. So dear students, now here you can see at the top where we have home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. So these options will come under ribbon. And these are multiple tabs that are available in ribbon tab: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. Dear students, here in home tab we have four options, just like paste, format painter, cut, copy. Then we have font tab. After this font tab we have paragraph tab. This contain overall description regarding paragraph. Then we have style option available. So these all things are available under home tab. Then we have insert tab. So these students, basically what happen in insert tab, we have another option, just like if you want to create table, if you want to insert picture, and if you want to insert word art. So these are multiple options that are available in insert tab option. Then dear students, we have another option, that is page layout. So basically under page layout you can set the orientation of your page, you can set the margin, you can set the watermark, and also you can set the page border. So these are the options that are available in page layout tab. Then we have reference option, where we have table of contents, where you can make table regarding your indexes or where regarding your content that are you using in your file. Then dear students, we have another tab which contain mailing option, just like mail merge. Then we have review tab which contain spelling checking option. Then we have last view tab, which can contain print layout option. So these are various tabs that are available in ribbon in Microsoft Word 2007. Then dear students, we have another topic, that is file handling. So basically what is an file handling? File handling basically deal with how we can create a file. So you can just open a document file. In our previous lecture we can learn how we can start MS Word. So dear students, here I am typing hello, welcome to doc. Welcome to document. So dear students, I can write this is the way how I can typing in my document file. Then I can save this file. Here I can use save as option. First time if you are saving your file, then you can use save as option and save your file in a specific destination. After saving your file, dear students, if you want to print your file, there is also a print option. You can click on print. Then you can see a menu will appear. In this menu you can check out the printer that is installed in your PC and you can press OK. So after this your printer will start to print. So this is the way how you can save and print your file. So dear students, also you can edit your file. To edit your file, so first of all, if you want to edit some text in your file, first of all close your previous file. So here now I am closing my previous file, just like this. Then again if I want to edit, I can open this file. So here I am writing the word, this is my first file. So this is the way how I can edit the text in my file. So dear students, today we are learning how we can handle the file, means how we can create the file, how we can save the file, how we can open the file, and also how we can print the file. So thank you for our today's session.